we've been told is a lie. Everything in history, science, technology, health, biology, genetics, the universe around us, religion and money, obviously. And Nikola Tesla knew this. Step away from what you think is real and what you believe to be the truth and just analyze everything from a slightly different perspective. And I want to show you an example that basically shows if they could lie about this, they can lie about everything. If they could pull this one off, they can pull off anything. This is Michal Ledwith. He was the advisor to the popes at the Vatican for 17 years. He is a walking encyclopedia. He's one of the most incredible human beings you can ever meet. And what he found out is that the opening phrase of the Bible was completely messed with. We all believe and we read the opening text of the Bible that says, "In the beginning God created the heavens and the earth." The original Hebrew text was messed with. And to do that is very difficult because it's all a mathematical formula. So it's very difficult to cheat. It has to have so many letters across and phrases and they cross-reference it. So you can figure out very quickly if somebody messed with one of these phrases and these paragraphs. And yet they pulled this off. The original Hebrew text begins with the letter B. Beth. Barashit bara Elohim et hashamayim wa et ha'aretz. Ba, it starts with Ba, the second letter of the alphabet. It's not possible because all Hebrew sacred texts must begin with the first letter of the alphabet, which is A or Aleph. Somebody messed that up. It's not possible. At the moment, it doesn't make any grammatical sense, actually. It's grammatically incorrect sentence. For any Hebrew-speaking people, you'll know what I mean. And it refers to Elohim here as the gods, but it doesn't make any sense. So when he added A or Aleph, suddenly it says, Abba Rashit bara Elohim et hashamayim wa et ha'aretz, which means the Father of the beginnings created the Elohim, the heavens and the earth. The Father of the beginnings created the Elohim, the heavens and the earth. And suddenly the Elohim no longer is God, or the plural of gods, as we perceive it from the incorrect first statement of the Bible. Sound and resonance, common links of creation and religion. In Christianity, it's the Word. In Hinduism, it's Om. The Egyptians believed the universe was sung into creation, and the original people of Australia believed that the world was created with 3 sacred songs.